Did you know that winter weather causes more than 70% of cold season breakdowns? Yet most drivers repeat the same mistakes every single year. Frozen doors, dead batteries, foggy windshields, sliding tires, and engines wearing out faster than ever. All because nobody teaches you the real winter car hacks that actually work. Today we are revealing winter car hacks that mechanics quietly use but almost never tell drivers about. These aren't basic tips you have heard before. These are smart, proven hacks that can save you money, prevent breakdowns, and keep your car running smooth even in brutal winter conditions. So stay until the end because the last hack can literally prevent thousands in engine damage. So buckle up and let's get started. Hack number 11. Turn your wheels away from the curb before parking overnight. Most drivers think wheel position doesn't matter, but in winter it absolutely does. When temperatures drop, power steering fluid thickens and rubber seals harden that put extra stress on the steering rack. Leaving your wheels straight causes the rack to absorb all that pressure when you start driving cold. Turning the wheels slightly away from the curb relieves internal tension inside the steering system. This reduces cold start steering resistance and prevents premature wear on tie rods and steering pumps. It also lowers the risk of tire flat spotting when parked overnight on icy surfaces. This tiny habit improves steering feel every winter morning without spending a single dollar. Hack number 10. Lower the heater before turning off the engine. Almost nobody knows this trick, but mechanics do. When you shut off your car with the heater blasting, warm, moist air gets trapped inside the HVAC system. Overnight, that moisture condenses and freezes inside air ducts, vents, and even on the inside of the windshield. This is why so many cars start the day with foggy glass, weak airflow, or strange, musty smells. Lowering the heater fan speed and temperature before shutting off the engine allows the system to cool evenly. This reduces condensation buildup and prevents frozen vents. It also protects the blower motor from cold start strain and helps your heater work faster and smoother the next time you start the car. Hack number 9. Warm up for oil flow, not temperature. Modern engines don't need long warm-ups, but they do need oil circulation time. Cold oil is thick and slow to coat critical components like bearings, camshafts, and cylinder walls. Revving or driving hard immediately after startup forces metal-to-metal contact when lubrication is minimal, which accelerates wear silently. Instead, let the engine idle for 30 to 60 seconds to allow oil to flow and coat all moving parts evenly. This prevents piston scuffing, timing chain strain, and premature engine wear during winter. Gentle driving for the first few minutes is far more effective than waiting for the temperature needle to move. It is a small habit that drastically extends engine life in freezing conditions. Hack number 8. Start the car with everything turned off. Cold weather already weakens battery performance, yet most drivers unknowingly make it worse. Turning on headlights, defrosters, heated seats, and radios during startup drains power when the battery needs it most. In freezing temperatures, batteries produce less voltage, so every extra electrical load matters. Starting the engine with everything turned off allows the battery to focus all its energy on cranking the engine. This results in faster starts, less strain on the starter, and reduced stress on the alternator. Once the engine is running smoothly, accessories can be turned on gradually. This simple habit can significantly extend battery life and prevent cold morning no-start situations. Hack number 7. Use sun visors at night to prevent frozen windshields. This is one of the most underrated winter car hacks, yet it works shockingly well. When cold air hits your windshield overnight, frost forms rapidly due to temperature contrast. Flipping your sun visors down creates a thin, insulating barrier that slows heat loss from the glass. This reduces frost thickness significantly, especially during heavy cold nights. Less frost means less scraping, which prevents micro scratches that cause glare during night driving. Over time, this improves visibility and reduces eye strain from oncoming headlights. It is a zero-cost trick that protects both your windshield and your vision. Hack number 6. Wait before applying the parking brake. Applying the parking brake immediately after stopping in winter is a mistake most drivers don't realize they are making. After driving, brake components are hot, and when they meet freezing air, condensation forms inside the brake cables and housings. Overnight, that trapped moisture freezes solid. This is why many cars won't move in the morning or make loud snapping noises when trying to drive off. Waiting 30 to 60 seconds before applying the parking brake allows heat to dissipate naturally. This reduces moisture buildup and prevents cables from freezing. This small pause can save you from stuck brakes, damaged cables, and costly winter brake repairs. Hack number 4. Use recirculation mode to defog faster. Most drivers think turning on fresh air clears fog faster, but in winter, that's a big mistake. Cold outside air is full of moisture, which instantly condenses on the cold windshield and windows. Using recirculation mode pulls in warmer, drier air from inside the cabin, which removes moisture much faster. This can clear your windshield in seconds instead of waiting several minutes while visibility stays poor. It also reduces the load on your heater and blower motor, preventing premature wear. Once the fog is gone, you can switch back to fresh air if needed. This simple habit dramatically improves safety, reaction time, and comfort during freezing mornings, and most drivers don't even know it exists. Hack number 3. Use low viscosity oil. Most drivers use the same engine oil year-round without realizing how dangerous that can be in winter. Cold temperatures make oil thicken and slow its ability to flow through tight engine passages. When oil moves too slowly, critical parts like bearings, camshafts, and timing components run dry for precious seconds after startup. Using a lower viscosity oil like 0W20 and 5W20 allows faster oil circulation the moment the engine turns over. This dramatically reduces cold start wear, which is where most engine damage actually occurs. Modern engines are engineered to work best with thinner oils during cold conditions, improving fuel efficiency and smoother startups. As long as you follow the manufacturer's approved oil grade, this simple change can protect your engine more in winter than almost any other modification. Hack number 2. Keep the fuel tank at least half full. An empty fuel tank in winter is asking for trouble. That moisture can enter fuel lines and injectors, causing rough starts or complete freezing. Keeping the tank half full minimizes airspace and moisture buildup. This improves cold starts, protects fuel components, and prevents costly fuel system issues. It also ensures your fuel pump stays submerged and cooled properly in freezing conditions. This habit is simple but incredibly powerful in winter reliability. Hack number 1. Turn off auto start-stop in cold weather. Auto start-stop systems are designed to save fuel, but in winter, they can quietly damage your car. Every time the system shuts off and restarts the engine, the battery and starter motor are under extra stress, exactly when cold temperatures already reduce battery output and thicken engine oil. Frequent cold restarts also mean the engine never reaches optimal operating conditions, which puts extra wear on internal components like pistons, bearings, and timing chains. Cabin heating suffers too because the engine keeps shutting off, leaving you with a freezing interior. You reduce starter strain, protect the battery, maintain smoother engine operation, and keep consistent cabin heat. It's a small toggle that prevents multiple hidden winter problems most drivers never even notice. At the last, I want to clear that winter doesn't ruin cars, but ignorance does. These hidden winter car hacks separate smart drivers from expensive repairs. If you start using even a few of these tricks, you will notice smoother starts, better heating, fewer breakdowns, and a car that feels stronger all winter long. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone who struggles every winter, and subscribe for more car secrets.